Right, all floor lovers, welcome to another video of how to install vinyl flooring. Another video of install vinyl flooring in bathroom. This is the finishing. We had to do it, and at the edge of the door we had to put diminution strip. Right, let's have a little look from the beginning. This was the original floor. It was engineered floor, so we had to use double-sided tape. Just make sure the engineered floor is live whenever they move and leave this house, because it's a rental place. As you can see, I had to put double-sided tape around the edges. It's bonding really well. You can always remove it whenever you leave the house, and the landlord or the landlady will be happy with this, the original floor, and not been damaged. So you just literally put it in, dry lay it, cut around the toilet in a V shape. So make sure you do your double-sided tape first. You don't have to do double-sided all over the place, so you just do a couple of strips from the left hand side to the right hand side and around the perimeter of the wall or skirting. So simple as that. Move it. As you can see, it's tuggy and sticky. Right, let's move them all. I'm just going to remove the protective cover. You don't have to be professional. You can do it yourself, your vinyl flooring. If it's cushioned vinyl, if it's safety, you do need professional floor layer. Right, that bit's done, so we're going to cut the vinyl around the toilet. Get a hook blade, press it hard against the toilet. Take your time, because this is very important. As you can see, our cut is very neat. If you get half a mil gap there, you can always silicone it as well. Right, this is an awkward area. Always cut it in a V shape, as you can see in the video. Cut 3-4 areas, and that will let your vinyl sit around the toilet without any bubble and undulation. So once you cut that, there's no tear within the vinyl, so it's nice and neat. Right, everything is cut around the toilet. Now it's time for silicone. At the door edge or under the door, you can always put a door bar. If there's existing door bar carpet, you can always cut it about 20mm, 25mm short. Then you can put black diminution strip. That will get rid of anyone stepping over it, and they're not gonna fall or no has a trip. So this will sort any trip of hazard, or anyone steps over the edge of the vinyl. If it's sharp enough, this will cover it. So it's quite good stuff. It's made by Gradis. It's called black diminution strip. Right, time to silicone. It's just for water barrier, and it's hygiene as well, so always use silicone. Magic stick, you can always shape this magic stick to smooth it out. Don't ever use your finger, because it's just gonna make it look very messy. Right, the silicone is done. This is it. Another lovely job done by Bespoke Flooring Solutions in London. Job done. Thank you very much. Don't forget to share the video and subscribe to the channel. You can see how good it looks when you put diminution strip. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.